Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And this is a Tech Travel Geeks unboxing and review of a case for the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. In this case, it's a case by kwmobile or kwmobile. We have covered them quite a few times in the past because they tend to do good value for money cases that really don't break the bank and offer pretty good protection for your devices. So it comes in a plastic bag with kwmobile branding on it. You can open that up and take the device straight out. Now this device has a little microfiber cloth with kwmobile branding on it, and it's pretty simple to just slip your Samsung Galaxy S21 FE in. Now the design of this case is similar to the one we saw for the Honor 50 late last year. It's a nice, very soft matte finish on the back. It has full accessibility at the bottom of the phone for the ports, but more importantly, it makes gesture navigation very easy. Now, in terms of ergonomics, this is really nice. It rounds off the corners to the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE really nicely. Camera protection is decent. There's around about 1 millimeter of extra elevation from the camera module, so you're quite comfortable to put your phone back down on a surface because essentially you know that the camera is raised. So that's a good thing, but don't put it down on uneven surfaces or gravelly surfaces because you will get stuff in that camera module. Now the on-off button is on here. It's not textured, but you can still tell it's there, which is good. Volume, let's check that. Let me unlock the phone. Now let's check and see if there's any stickiness to the volume rocker buttons. No, none there. That's great. At the top we have a little volume microphone hole, which is great. Nothing on the left hand side of the device, and in terms of cutouts, as I said, the bottom is all accessible at the bottom. So great if you like gesture navigation. Keep an eye out on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. We'll have a tutorial video on how to turn gesture navigation on or off on the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. But for now, that's a quick review of the case. We've gone through the key features of it, and I have to say, overall, I really like this case. The color in this case is a sort of bluey green or teal color, which has a bit of contrast with the olive green of the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. There's very little extra bulk given to the device by this case. It's soft and very pleasant to hold because of the material and the rounding to it. So it's one that I would definitely recommend, and I'm looking forward to using going forward. Anyway, I'll wrap this video up from here. Thanks for watching this quick unboxing and review of the kwmobile case for the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, and pretty much anything else we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye.